Hi there, Graham Fletcher, professional Mckenzie friend and divorce coach here. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. This video is going to cover the question of what is a Mckenzie friend and how do they help a litigant in person. Well, let's cover the litigant in person issue first. Are you a litigant in person? Well, you might be, or you might become one if you're a parent going through a separation or divorce, and you're maybe questioning whether you want to pay the high fees of a solicitor, or you're finding the way that they use the legal language when you're consulting them doesn't really sit with you, and you're maybe thinking, well, perhaps I could go through this process myself, but I need a little bit of guidance and support in the background. This is what I did when I went through my divorce in 2012. I went through family court hearings with the support of a Mckenzie friend, and I achieved a shared residency order for my children, and then also I had an occupation order and non-molestation order dismissed in family courts. And I did all this without using a solicitor, and I effectively presented myself to a judge, spoke to them, presented my written paperwork and achieved positive outcomes. I was able to go against barristers who were getting paid a lot of money and achieve positive outcomes. So I've gone on to help hundreds of other people over the years, ask their Mckenzie friend, achieve positive outcomes. So there's a lot you can do standing up for yourself on your own with a little bit of coaching and advice and emotional support. So the Mckenzie friend role is something that the courts have defined, that when you have a court hearing, somebody's allowed to attend the court hearing with you as a litigant in person and take notes for you and quietly advise you and prompt you and help you understand the process of what's going on and help you figure out how or if you want to stand your ground on a particular issue. So that can be stretched out and kind of expanded a bit, so I can help you with understanding how to present your case to a cafcass social worker so that you can improve the likelihood of a positive report being written, and that's pretty key in the process if you want a positive child arrangements order. So that's one of the things that I help people with, is coaching for that type of interview. You've also got the drafting of documents. I can help review documents that you intend to submit to the court, and I can give you experienced advice on how to improve them so they align with the criteria that the courts are looking at. So these things are steps that basically help you get towards that kind of positive outcome that you want to achieve. Family courts happen quite quickly, they can be quite fast-paced hearings, and so having somebody present with you who's calm, focused, not emotionally triggered, who can spot all the important little details to respond to, can be a great asset to you when you're having to think in the moment and this is a difficult emotional situation for you because it's your family. So that's one of the ways I would summarise the Mckenzie friend role. It's really a kind of coaching, mentoring role in the background. The Mckenzie friend doesn't take over the case and conduct your case for you. That's your responsibility, but they're there to help you figure out what you want to do, and they can do so at the fraction of the cost of a solicitor. So if you'd like to chat to me more about that, please get in touch. My contact details are in the description box below, and I hope I've given you a good insight really about what being a litigant in person involves and how a Mckenzie friend can help you. Okay, take care. Thanks for watching.